Hello guys, welcome to Miscellaneous UPSC. Today we are going to learn all the rivers present in this world, important, and I will be leaving Indian rivers because we are already dealing with them with important rivers in our river system class, right? Today we will be seeing all the important in other rivers, other continents. Okay, first we will come from North America. Okay, from here, which country is this? Canada, right? There is a river flowing between mountain ranges. That is, these are Mackenzie mountains. Okay, there is a river flowing in them. That is Mackenzie River. Okay, remember this thing. Important. And this now we will move on to USC. If anyone asks what is the longest and largest river in North America, that is Missouri. Missouri. Okay, river Missouri. And what is this? This thing you may know. You know, I think Mississippi. Okay, fine. They both combined and uh, drain into Gulf of Mexico. Okay. Only three rivers in Northern America. Even if one means here there is a river, that is a Yukon flowing between Brooks and Alaska. Yukon River. But I'm just saying this because you should have some idea that this is present in Northern America. Okay, fine. Now we'll go on to Brazil, that is South America. This is the largest river in the world. What is this? Amazon, right? For that there is a tributary, largest tributary, Madeira, Madirio. Okay, remember this thing. River, Amazon, largest river in the world. Okay, and even there is another largest river in Northern America present in this is Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay, Uruguay. So these in these countries it is flowing, right. This is Pampo, river Pampo. Okay, we are done with this all these things in American continent. So we will move on to Africa. Okay, okay. First we'll read about important longest river in the world. What is that? We have been learning only two things, that one is largest, that is Amazon, and one is longest, that is Nile, right? This is Nile. In lakes video I told you that from two lakes it combines and forms lake, right? One is white and other is blue is coming from Tana river. If you are unable to understand this thing, go and watch my lakes video. Okay, and this is Victoria Lake, largest lake in the Africa. Okay, and this thing is Congo. Okay, and this is Niger. Oh, sorry, Nile. This is Nile. Okay, this is Niger. I will change this color. This is not right. This is Nile. Okay, and what is this? Niger. Okay, Niger. There is an important port here, Harcourt. Okay, Harcourt port. Okay, fine. Okay, I will say even the mouth of the Amazon, that is Macapa. Okay, Macapa. Okay, there is a Orange River. Okay, here Orange River, Namiba, right? Namiba. Okay, and this is Congo, River Congo. Okay, fine. We are done with most of the rivers in Africa. We will move on to this thing. Okay, first, this is the largest river in Europe, and this causes so many countries. Around 9 countries it crosses and drains into Black Sea. You may ask, this is boundary by all the countries? No, there is a gap here. We can't call it as a lake. We can call Caspian as a lake, but we cannot call Black Sea as a lake because there is a opening towards Mediterranean Sea, and Mediterranean Sea is opening towards northern, sorry, Atlantic Sea, Atlantic Ocean. Okay, and this is important river of Europe, the name. And if anyone asks what is the longest river in Europe, that is Volga, Volga River. It is in Europe. See, Europe. Okay, it is present in Russia actually. Russia has landmass in Europe as well as in Asia. Okay, yesterday I told there is, I mean, in Europe series, there is a part of Russia which is sharing boundary with Poland, right? Remember that. Even this part is Russian part. Okay, this is Volga. Okay, Volga River. Next, next, there is important river which is forming a boundary between Russia and China. That is Amur River, not Amul. Amur, Amur River. Okay, leave this thing. Mm, next, this one. No, even this is important. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm actually sorry. There is a lake. Yesterday we told world's deepest lake, Baikal. That is Lena. Okay, and this is Ob. Okay, next. Do you know which river is this? This is Indus. Okay, remember this thing. From here, in our river series, we have discussed about river Indus, right? Fine. From here, in Bakarchu glacier place, it forms. Okay, and this is Brahmaputra. You already know, so I'm leaving this thing. And this, and see, this can be important question this year. It might be a CDS, CSC or CAPF. Mekong. This is Mekong because India has a India has a, I mean, association with these countries which in through which this Mekong river is flowing. That is Ganga Mekong Cooperation. Okay, remember that. Next, this is this is Hong Ho. This is a sorrow of China because due to this, lot of floods happen in China. Do you know which river is the sorrow of Bihar? That is Kosi. Okay, it flows through it, and this is Yangtze River. Remember, these things. These are very important. Okay, we are done with all these things. I think we completed all the rivers. Okay, there is a small river here. Ignore this thing. Okay, not important. So this is that. That's it. Yeah, this is Darling River. Fine. I hope we completed all the rivers in these things. Even here, few rivers are there in Europe. You may, if you want, if you are interested, enthusiastic, you can. This is Thames and Rhine River, which is important river in Germany. Vistula in Poland. Vistula. Okay. River Po. Fine. I think we have completed all the most of the rivers. I think. Okay. Fine. These are the important rivers in the world. Okay. That's it. See, at the last of the class, make a short. Try to make a short. Short thing in which country which state what kind of rivers are there. Okay, and that will be a, that will be, I mean, rough notes for you, right, for making a revision, rather than finding which rivers are present in which state. I mean, from googling, wasting a lot of time, or else try to take a screenshot of this thing. Okay, fine. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you.